Just when you think a BLT can't possibly get any better, you add the E, and it does. I'm talking the original, the GOAT, the BLT. Everybody knows it, right? It's classic. It's simple. It's delicious. Today I'm using all of those concepts from the original BLT and I'm adding an E. So we're going BLTE with a big over easy egg on top of it to finish it off. How could it be bad? You got the crusty sourdough bread, you got lettuce, fresh tomato, bacon, and then an over easy fried egg on top of it all. I mean, it can't be bad. It's gonna be mwah. Here's all the ingredients that I have for this. I have fresh toasted sourdough bread. I got Duke's mayo because it's got a twang. Homegrown ripe tomato, fresh lettuce, bacon, and last but not least, a farm fresh egg. This is gonna come together so beautifully. It's so simple, such an old and easy concept, but I promise you it's gonna be delicious. So follow me, let's go. You wanna start by making that bacon perfectly crispy. I like to do mine in the oven on a sheet pan at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. But you can make this bacon however you want to. Just make sure it's nice and done so that crunch kind of balances out that creamy egg and that tomato on the sandwich. This is a simple sandwich, folks, so the bread does matter here. Today I'm going with a local sourdough loaf from my farmer's market, but you can use any kind of bread you want. Hell, use white Wonder Bread for all I care. One thing's for certain though, whether you're using good bread or bad bread, just toast it up. It makes it so much better. Today I'm using bacon grease because why not add some more bacon when you're already making a bacon sandwich? The L, today I'm using romaine. The T, one of the most important ingredients. Today I'm using one that's homegrown from my father-in-law. Thank you, Gail. First layer, Duke's mayonnaise because it's got a twang. Be generous with it. Next up, that crisp lettuce. Make sure it doesn't have the psychospora or whatever the hell's making people shit their brains out. Next up, we got our tomato layers, so make them thick and good. And always season your tomatoes, folks, no matter what. Always. Salt, pepper at the bare minimum. After that, you know we got that bacon layer, that B, so make sure you stack it up as much as you can handle. A little bit of bacon grease or oil of your choosing. Hot pan. Just crack that egg right in. Today we're going for a nice runny yolk, so make sure you don't overdo it. Add that fried egg. You think a BLT can't possibly get any better, but then you add the E, and it does. So give this one a try. I promise you, you won't regret it. Whether you're on Wonder Bread or sourdough bread, add that E, add that fried egg. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Please like and subscribe for more great recipes like this. Yolks up. Mmm.